Welcome to TJInspires. Enjoy this video. It's not going to be a lot of talking, not a lot of sound, so be aware. This video, I did my first mukbang. It was a seafood boil. So here's the seasoning that I used. I had shrimp, corn, potatoes, crawfish came from HEB. Again, enjoy. That's all. It was really good. So enjoy the next couple slides, because this is how I prepared. Dipping sauce consisted of this butter, ranch, 3-cheese ranch, honey mustard. Again, that is the bag. You see all of that goodness. Eggs, shrimp. Oh my gosh, it was delicious. Hi everyone, this is Tristan, and this is my first mukbang. So I have shrimp, I have eggs, I have crawfish, I have corn, and you can see that steam just coming off. It's my first one, and I have some sauce. So I know I'm not gonna eat all this, so it's my first one. Look how yummy. So here we go. Hi everyone, it's Tristan, and I wanted to show you guys. Well, I devoured this. I really devoured this. It was a homemade seafood boil. It consisted of crawfish, corn, shrimp, potatoes, eggs, and when I tell you, it was thebomb.com. And I made my own dipping sauce that consisted of garlic parmesan butter, 3-cheese ranch dipping sauce, and honey mustard. And I got my crawfish from HEB. It was thebomb.com. Like I said, it was a homemade seafood boil, and I love food. So yeah, enjoy. Make sure you go watch the video.